Hello, Me Naturals family. This is Lineage, founder of Me Naturals. Last time I had posted a video regarding the soap labels, how I make it, and you all were interested in knowing how I make the full tutorial of this DIY, how I make the print labels on my own mobile phone. For that reason, I have made a video which you can keep watching and you can just see how it has been made from the start till the end of the process. Even I have linked the description box whether which sort of print papers I use, and also regarding that, do like and share. You can download Canva from Play Store and open it and search for soap label, where you will get many different options of labels, from which I chose the strawberry bar soap, where I clicked on the large image of the background of that strawberries, where I get the option over there of replace. Here you can see I have downloaded one aloe vera background images from Google and I have clicked it. Later on you can change the bar any of the color by selecting the color option, and then there's a dropper where you can select and choose the color according to the background. So see, it is similar to the greenish color which is their background. At the background, try to keep it in a same color options. Like if the aloe vera background is of green color, try to keep your label also similar to it, so that it doesn't look bad. So try to change everything according to that color options. You can see the pink bow part, even that I'm going to change in green color. Okay, here I was just trying to change the color and it was just moving. So just wait and watch. You'll find out how I change the colors of this. You get many other options over there where you can choose different colors over here in Canva. This is how I change the colors of most of my uh, labels or any such of editings. I try to use Canva and I make it on my own. You all wanted the full tutorial of how to do it. That's the reason I have posting this on YouTube, as it's not possible for me to post it on Instagram as the length of the video is too long, and it is really needed to be specified each detail of how to do this label and create it. Now I'm going to change the weight, the in the grams of which I select. That is, my all the soaps are 75 to 80 grams. Sometimes it is little bigger, as it is handmade. It might go above 80 also. Then I change the scent by using the actual essential oils which I added in my aloe vera soap, that is tea tree and lemongrass. Then few of the adjustments of that. EO is a short form of essential oil. Most probably I do use the essential oils which are really good for your skin. Then I would change the soap's name with aloe bar soap. Here I had tried to make that aloe vera soap, but I didn't like it. That's the reason I have changed it later on. You can have a look how I changed the name of it. Later on, the ingredients part produced by Of course, Me Naturals. Here you can type your brand name or any other details, extra details you want to write, your contact numbers or any such related to your produced production. Then here goes the ingredients, which is the best part, that you don't have any other extra sort of chemicals in our soaps. There are pure only oils, butters, or and the lye and the fragrance oil or essential oils. That is it. So simple, which you don't get in the market. Like if you go search for in the market, you will find many other ingredients added in it, other different chemicals, different names of the chemicals over there. So you can see I have used aloe vera juice over here, the fresh aloe vera juice in this soap, which is also made of coconut oil, rice bran oil, palm oil, castor oil, lay, aloe vera juice. That's it. No other extra ingredients, and the essential oils which are good for your body, and it smells nice along with it. Then the expiration date is actually a bit of confusing part. I have written here 2027, but almost you can use it around 2 years also. But when it is a natural soap, it's so that you finish it in a month maybe. Then you can delete the things by just selecting the object and clicking on the delete button, the bin option which is shown at the top. I actually wanted to make the font bold, because when I try to print it at home, it most probably happens that when the light part is written over there, it is not bold, a normal letter font it keeps on getting blur. For that reason, I have kept all the written part in a bold letter. Whereas over here, I didn't like the font of the main bar soap to be very like light in color. That's the reason I have changed it. So you can check out me changing the name of aloe vera soap to aloe bar soap. And that's it. Now I go to the option at the top most corner, where if I select at the share types button, the arrow upper side, if we select it, you get this option. And then you have to select for PNG, increase the full size. Sometimes this is not in the free option, so whatever size is there, but just select PNG and download it. Great. And now the same thing you have to do. You have to select one search A4 size paper in a portrait way. You have to select it, as this was the one which I already make, and I keep using the same thing for changes, changing, duplicating it, and replacing each image with the image which I made right now, the soap label of aloe soap, just by selecting each and every part over there. This is how I try to make this, by clicking each and replace, each and replace. Select one, there's an option down replace, select it, and then you have to just go on selecting till you complete the whole page. this is how it's ready. Just place it properly so that it doesn't get mixed up. I most probably try to adjust it on one paper, and then the same arrow upwards direction you have to select it and download it. This time you are going to download it in PDF print and select the page on which this design is and download it, and you're ready to go. You can select your printer or print option and just go for it and print it out. And I had ordered in A4 size papers of sticker papers of glossy, which is waterproof. I'll put